and your whiteboard. The warm-up for today is writing on your whiteboard our combinations of 10. So think about our lessons the last couple days, and we are writing the numbers that add up to 10. So all the number sentences that add up to 10. We're going to try and see if we can get them all on a list. Oh, and you need to keep your mic off so my friends can hear me. Thank you. All right, so you're working on all the combinations of 10, writing them on your whiteboard. Try and think of as many as you can. And then we'll make one big list and see if we think we have all of them. Okay, Annabelle, we saw the picture. Thank you. Get started on your combinations of 10. So all the numbers that equal 10, all those number sentences. All right. Oh, Cora's got a lot of them. Good job, Cora. I see that you have 4 of them. Good job. Thanks for showing. Good work. Nice. Molly's got 3 of them. Looks good. Nice job, Marnie. Looks good. You're getting some of them. Nice job. Good job, Arlo. Good work. Okay, you guys are remembering a lot of them. Nice job. Okay, we're going to try and do a list. Is someone's mic on? Whoa, I started echoing. We're going to try and do a list and make sure that we have them all. So we're going to try and do it in an order that makes sense to make sure that we have every single combination. Let me make this nice and big so you can see. All right, so when we're starting with our combinations, make sure we have them all. We're going to start with the number 1. So what adds with the number 1 to make 10? Who can raise their hand and tell me? What goes with 1? 1 plus what equals 10? Marnie?
9.
Nice job. 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And then we have to do the turnaround fact. So 1 plus 9 equals 10, but we also know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. We have to have both of those facts. That's how we can make sure that we have them both. So see if you have both of those written down. All right, and then to keep going in order, I'm going to go to the number 2. 2 plus what equals 10? What goes with the number 2? What is the number 2's partner that equals 10? Hadley?
8.
Nice job. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Who could tell me the turnaround rule for 2 plus 8 equals 10? What is the turnaround fact? Ben Goebel?
8 plus 2 equals 10.
Nice job. Turnaround rule means you flip those numbers around. So we have 2 plus 8 and 8 plus 2. Good job, Ben.
Can I say mine that I have?
Yeah, what do you have? Does it come in the next order? We're going in order. 1, 2. Do you know what the next one would be?
Yes, 3 and 7.
Nice job. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Who can tell me the turnaround rule for this fact? Way to have them in order. Good job, Ben. What's the turnaround rule for 3 plus 7? Molly?
7 plus 3 equals 10.
Nice job. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, our next fact is the number. We have 4. Look at, we're going right in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. What goes with 4 to make 10? Who has that fact written down? What is 4's partner? Annabelle?
Mrs. Lumsden. 10. Or 5.
No, it equals 10. 4 plus what equals 10?
5.
It's not 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. One bigger than 5 so that it would equal 10.
6.
Yeah, 4 plus 6 equals 10. Good job. Okay, then we need the turnaround fact. So 4 plus 6 and 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, then we have 5. We know this one. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And the turnaround fact for 5 plus 5 is 5 plus 5. So we don't have to write that one again. And then we think, okay, then we go to 6. But look over here. We have 6. Then it goes up. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we skipped, we did not start with 0. So we'll go back. We have 0 plus 10 equals 10. And 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, now we have to decide, is this all of them? Do you think we had a good system where we have all our facts? Show me yes or no. Do you think we got them all? Yeah, Molly thinks yes. Hadley does. Yeah, right. Oh, good job, Arlo, Nora. Okay, yeah. So this is all the combinations of 10. And we went in order, counting up and then counting back. And that's how we made sure we had them all. And then we made sure we had the turnaround facts as well. So these are all the combinations of 10, what we worked on this week, and making sure these are starting to get into our memory so we can use these to help us solve other problems, which we're going to do today. Looks good, Alexis. Nice job with all those facts. Okay, so you can erase your board and move that to the side. We are going to use the facts. We need our board, so we're going to erase them, but we are going to use these facts to talk about what we're doing today. So today, we're going to start adding 3 numbers. So a lot of our number sentences that we've been working on so far in first grade, we add 2 numbers. Like we just did all of these problems that we just wrote down, we're adding 2 numbers. Today we're going to practice adding 3 numbers, okay? So it's the same in your number sentence. It looks the same because you'll have a plus and an equals, but you'll have 2 plus signs because you're going to add 3 numbers. So you're going to need 2 plus signs in between. So to practice doing that, I have pictures of some school supplies. So I'm going to share them on the screen. And we're going to practice adding them all up together and talk about what strategies make sense for adding them up. So we're going to start with this group. We have 3 staplers, 8 erasers, and 2 notebooks. So we have 3 plus 8 plus 2. So it's a lot to do all at once. So when we add 3 numbers, the best trick is to pick 2 of them to add together first. So that's where we're going to use the strategies and the things we've talked about this week. So our combinations of 10 or maybe a doubles fact. We've talked about those too, and those can help us add up these 3 numbers quicker. So does anyone see a combination of 10 that we could add together quickly or a doubles fact? So think about the list we just made. Do you see any that go together quickly that can make 10? Because once we make 10, adding gets a lot easier. So do you see 2 numbers that go together to make 10? Okay, yep, you're looking at your board with all your lists. That's a good idea, Ben. Miss Lumsden sees 8 and 2. 8 and 2 is a combination that we wrote down. So 8 and 2, I should know really quick, makes 10. And that makes it a lot easier to add the 3 numbers. So now that I know these two together make 10, I just have to do 3 more, which is 13. So Miss Lumsden would write that like this. I would have 8 plus 2 plus 3 equals 13. But what I did first is I decided to put 8 and 2 together first to make 10. So then it was 10 plus 3, which is a lot easier to add up. So looking for the combinations of 10 is one of the strategies we're going to use to make adding 3 numbers easier. Okay, there's an example. We're going to do a different one now. I want you to see if you can find the combination of 10 this time. See if we make it easy. We have 6 pencils, 5 glue bottles, and 4 tape rolls. Do any of those go together quickly to make 10? Which two are a pair that's a combination of 10 that go together quickly? Anyone see it? Arlo?
4 and 6.
Nice job, 4 and 6. That's a combination of 10. So when I'm looking at these pictures, I want to do 4 and 6 first because I know they quickly make 10. So 4 plus 6 plus 5 is all the numbers, but I'm going to take 4 and 6 together to make it 10, which then means all I have is 10 plus 5, which is nice and easy. 10 plus 5 is 15. So we know our answer is 15. Using that combination of 10 to make our quick 10 makes the rest of the adding much easier. Okay, let's do one more with a combination of 10. Try and find it. Let's see. 9 paper clips, 7 scissors, and 1 slate. What two go together quickly to make 10? What's a combination of 10 you see? Hadley?
1 and 9. 1 and 9.
Nice job. So we have 1 plus 9 plus 7, which looks hard and scary. But if we take 1 and 9 together first and make 10, then it's easy. It's just 10 plus 7, which is quick into our team numbers, which equals 17. All right, so that's the strategy of using combination of 10 to add 3 numbers, nice and quick. Okay, so now we're going to do the strategy of using double stack. So let me show you that strategy. Let's get some new materials up here. Let's see, we have 5, whoops, wait, we're not doing that one, sorry. 3 staplers, 3 calculators, and 2 notebooks. Which is a double stack, which would be quick and easy to add together first. That's a double stack. Remember, our double stack is adding our own number to itself, adding the same number to itself. Molly, what do you see?
3 plus 3.
Yeah, 3 plus 3, what does that equal?
6.
Nice job. So we know 3 plus 3 because it's a double stack. It makes it nice and easy to go first. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And then we need 6 plus 2. Who can do that part of the math problem? 6 plus 2. Arlo?
7.
Oh, it's not plus 1, it's plus 2.
8.
Yeah, there we go, 8. So 3 plus 2 equals 8, but we know 3 plus 3 nice and quick because it's a doubles fact. So we can do 6 plus 2, which is much easier. Okay, let's try one more. Seven scissors, one slate, and one book. What would be quick and easy to add together first? Do you see a combination of 10? Do you see a doubles fact? What would be the two numbers that would be easy to add together first, right off the bat, right quick? Hadley?
It makes 2.
Yeah, we can do 1 and 1, nice and quick. 1 plus 1 makes 2, plus 7. So then we have 2 plus 7. We can do that part of our problem. 2 plus 7. Annabelle?
Nice.
Nice job. 2 plus 7 is 9. So 1 plus 1 plus 7 equals 9. So you're picking two numbers that are easy for you to add first to help you add all three of them together. Okay, Miss Lumsden's going to write some on her board now, and you're going to tell me what you would pick to add first. And there's no wrong answer. It's really whatever you think is easy. If you know or you have a addition fact that you have memorized and that's easy for you to add together quickly, then that's what you want to do. You want to do what is easy and quick. So here's the first one. We're going to have 4 plus 7 plus 3. What two numbers would you pick to add together first? What is easy to you? Which two numbers go together easy in your brain? Is there the combination of 10, a doubles fact, anything like that? Alicia, do you have an idea? What two would you pick to add together first?
4 and 7.
4 and 7? Why 4 and 7?
Because my new favorite number is 7.
Okay, does that make it easy for you though? Is 4 and 7 the easiest combination? Do you have that one memorized?
Yeah.
You do? What's the
Maybe.
answer?
So you have 4, then you count up 7, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you have 7.
Uh-huh.
You add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that makes 11.
Nice job. You use your fingers to make 11. Good strategy. Okay. So Miss Lumsden, when she looks at this, I mean, you could pick 4 and 7 like Alicia just did. She proved to you that she knows that one quick. So she did this, 4 and 7, so she would have 11 plus 3. That's a choice. When Miss Lumsden looks at it, the first thing she sees is 7 and 3. 7 and 3 is a combination of 10. That's easy for me. I have that memorized. I know 7 and 3 go together to make 10. So then I have 4 plus 10, which is easy to do, and that makes 14. So that's one choice. There's more. So Alicia did 4 and 7. I did 7 and 3. You could do 4 and 3 first. 4 and 3 is 7. And then you have a doubles fact because you have 7 plus 7. So there's lots of choices. Whatever makes sense to you and makes easy adding in your brain are the ones that you want to choose. And our doubles facts and our memorizing our doubles facts and memorizing our combinations of 10 will help with that. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to let you solve this one all on your own, and then we'll share what we did. So let's do plus 2 plus 8. All right, everyone's solving that on their own. 6 plus 2 plus 8. Pick two of the numbers that are easy for you to put together first, and then add the third number. Use your whiteboard to write. Nice job, Ben Goebel. I see your answer. Can you write down the fact that you chose to add together first? Which two numbers did you pick to add together first to get that answer? Nice job, Hadley. Okay, good idea, Arlo. That makes sense. Those two are easy together. So add those two up and then add the third number. Nice job. Good job, Ben P. Yep, I see the whole, yes. Good job, Alexis. Nice job, Nora. Oh, that looks good, Ben. Now I can see, yep, what you chose to do. Good job. Nice job, Hadley. Yep, now I can see which ones you chose. Nice job. Okay, good work. Who would like to turn their mic on and explain their work? Who can tell us what they picked first, why they picked it, and then how they added that third number? How did you make it make sense in your brain? Hadley, tell us what you did.
How I knew, I was gonna do 8 because I knew 8, and then you have 2 more fingers up and you would add 2, but then I decided to do 6 and 2, but then I was wrong, but instead it was 2 and 8.
Okay.
For 10.
Okay, so you chose 2 and 8 to make 10, and then 6 plus 10 is nice and easy, which equals?
6 plus 10?
Yep. What was your final answer?
I don't know.
10 plus 6, 6 plus 10 in the teens. Yep, 16. Exactly, that's perfect. Thumbs up if you did 2 and 8 first. If you put 2 and 8 together as your first two numbers. Yeah, 2 and 8 is a combination of 10.
Because if there's a 10 and then you add 6, the 10 and 6 will make 16 because the 10 is the 10.
Nice job. Thanks for sharing, Hadley. Okay, is there anyone else that did it different? Did someone pick something different than doing the 2 and 8 together? Is that what everybody did? I saw lots of thumbs up.
I say a combination.
What then?
Can I say a combination that's easy in my head?
Yeah, what did you do?
I did, wait, what?
For this problem, did you have a different combination?
I did 2 and 8.
I lost you. I don't hear you anymore. All right, well, the other option you could do is 6 plus 2. Instead of that, you could do 6 and 2, which makes 8, because then you have a double stack. A lot of you know 8 plus 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So you can get the same answer either way. Lots of choices. Okay, so now your job when we hang up is to, you have these cards in your packet. You don't have to cut them out. You just use them. And then on Math Journal pages 62 and 63, there are number stories of 3 numbers, and they are made up with these cards. And they want you to solve the number story, adding the 3 numbers, and then it says you make up the story. So it just gives you the numbers, and you'll have to use your cards, like here, to make up the story that goes along with it. So the first one says 2 plus 3 plus 5. So you would look through here and find cards that are 2 plus 3 plus 5 and write them down. So that's for those 2 pages. And then you have math boxes on page 64 to do as well. All right. Good work today. Remembering we're working on those doubles, facts, and combinations of 10. And once we have those memorized and we can recognize them quickly, they're going to help us do math a lot quicker. All right. Good work today, friends. Thanks for coming to math. You can turn your mics on and say goodbye to each other.
Goodbye. I hope you had a good day, Miss London.
Thank you, Matt.
Bye.